peace, and love. Welcome back to another episode from the Universal Growth Network's Money Channel. All right, so let's talk about trading volume. All right, so trading volume is another important piece of information that technical analysts use to confirm a trend or identify a reversal. It measures the number of shares traded during a specific time period and is included at the bottom of many charts. Trading volume and price uptrends. A price uptrend accompanied by an increase in trading volume is a bullish signal. It implies that more investors are buying the stock at a higher price, giving momentum for the uptrend to continue. A price uptrend accompanied by a decrease in trading volume, however, implies that the uptrend may not be able to hold over the long run. Fewer and fewer people are willing to buy the stock as the price gets higher. All right, so again, the plane is taking off and we're going to reach high altitude, and then at some point it's going to start to consolidate, or we're going to start to cruise at that price, but then it's going to eventually come back down. And where is it going to come back down to? It's going to come back down to the moving average, the price that most people agreed on. All right. Trading volume and price downtrends. When the price is falling and the trading volume increases, it implies that there are more sellers than buyers in the market. The price could drop further due to the selling activities. We are bracing for landing. As you see, the flight is coming back down. When the price is falling and the trading volume decreases, it implies that the market is not panic selling. Investors are still confident in the stock and waiting for a reversal in trends. This may prevent the stock price from dropping further. All right, so the trading volume is crucial. All right, so don't just look at the candles, but also pay attention to the volume bars as they directly correlate to some of the trading patterns, some of the chart patterns that we'll be looking at. You have to be mindful of the volume, any breakouts, anytime there's market manipulation and you have people in the market, you have big companies, billionaires in there just looking for windows to pick up a bunch of shares or to offload a bunch. That volume will give you that insight. All right, so let's continue to grow together. We're going to continue to go together so we can grow together. And we do need to have a discussion on order blocks, because that has a correlation to trading value. All right, so enjoy this short video. I don't want to hold y'all hostage too long. Peace and love, and I hope you get rich. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment down below, share with somebody you know. Let's get 1,000 subscribers. Let's get 100 likes on this video. All right, take care. I'll see you in the next one.